We are GPS and Track, and we're going to talk about our hardwired waterproof GPS tracker. This is good for almost anything with a power source. This could be watercraft, heavy equipment, vehicles, motorcycles. We're going to show you the platform. Let's get into it. What's nice about this tracker is it's a real-time, on-demand locate device. It'll also update on stop and starts. But let's do a locate now. This is going to send a signal to the satellites and get an exact location of where it's at. This is not just an address. If it's in a parking lot, you'll see the parking space. By just clicking the satellite view, we can get a real satellite image that's behind the building. What's nice about this tracker too is it has pretty detailed history. Our travel log report is my favorite feature. This will show every stop, starts, and of course on demands. You could set alerts for speed, you could set alerts for geofencing, and we can check the history and see it's at Sonic, maybe lunch, but this is how detailed it is. Not just that it was at Sonic, it was going through the drive-thru. Another great feature is geofencing. Geofencing can be around any property. That could be around a house, it could be around a city, it could be around the state. But it's gonna alert you if it goes in or out of the zone. A lot of our GPS tracking customers love this feature because if they're gonna leave equipment on a job site or even a marina for like boats, if it leaves, they're being notified right away through text message and email. This is all included in the service. After hours alerts is a really powerful feature to let you know your equipment's moving when it's not supposed to. This could be from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday through Friday. Maybe it shouldn't move on a weekend or a Sunday. It's letting you know something unusual is happening, and if it's you because you're moving it late at night, big deal. Ignore the text message, ignore the emails. We just had a client that had his stolen skid steer at 3 in the morning, alerted him that it was on the move. Now, if you are a larger company, you need multiple users, that's easy. You can set that up on our platform and we can do it for you. So you can have multiple users, they can have different credentials, they could have different login security. So somebody basic can kind of just be able to locate on demand or see where equipment is. Somebody higher up can actually change the name, add additional users. And you can also set it up so specific users can access specific devices. So you can even set that up as sub-accounts where they can only see the vehicles or they can only see the equipment to make it nice and organized. So this is a quick tour of our platform. As you shop around, as you should, is take the monthly fee, take the contract that you're gonna see out there, and amortize that over 2 or 3 years. Then you're gonna see why these companies have their names on the side of sports stadiums. So $20 a month times 36, $720. More importantly, their tech support may not be that great. I would check it out. You're gonna have questions, maybe how to install it, maybe how to download the mobile app, or question about a theft or recovery. That's why people come to us. Check out our pricing, our tech support versus everybody else's. I think you're gonna see we blow them away.